Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the back post half double crochet stitch. It's a variation of the regular half double crochet and a great way to create some texture while crocheting. Start with a yarn over, then to work the back post half double crochet you're going to work around the post of the stitch on the previous row. Start by going through from back to front and from front to back around the post, and then yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and go through all 3 loops on the crochet hook, then yarn over again to start the next stitch, then go between the next 2 stitches from back to front, and between the next 2 stitches again from front to back, then yarn over and pull up a loop, and yarn over and go through all 3 loops on the crochet. Let's do another one. Yarn over, go through from the back to the front and from front to back, then pull up a loop, and yarn over and go through all 3 loops on the crochet hook. And do another one between the next 2 stitches, yarn over and go from back to front, and then from front to back, yarn over and pull up a loop, and yarn over and go through all 3 loops on the crochet hook. And this is how simple the back post half double crochet is, and you can see how the texture is created and how the stitches are pulled to the back. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this crochet stitch.